In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an interactive plant presentation using Slide Zoom in PowerPoint. We're going to build a presentation that starts with a full view image of a plant and then lets viewers smoothly jump into more detailed slides that show what's happening inside specific parts of that plant. This is a great technique for science lessons, classroom presentations, or any visual explanation where you want to move from a big picture view into close-up detail without losing the flow of your presentation. Start by adding a full view image of a plant to your primary slide. This main slide will act as your visual overview, so choose an image that is clear, high quality, and easy to understand at a glance. Try to make sure the plant fills the slide nicely so there's enough space to identify the area you want to connect to more detailed content later. Next, create your secondary slides. These should show the internal structures of the plant in more detail, such as the cellular level or chloroplasts. The idea here is to give your audience a deeper look into what they can't see from the main image alone. Keep these slides visually focused and organized so each one highlights a specific internal concept clearly. This makes the Zoom experience feel purposeful rather than overwhelming. Once those detailed slides are ready, go back to your main plant slide. Then open the Insert tab, choose Zoom, and select Slide Zoom. This feature allows you to place clickable previews of other slides directly onto your main slide, creating an interactive navigation effect that feels smooth and professional during playback. Now select the detailed cellular slides you want to connect. PowerPoint will insert preview thumbnails for those slides onto your main slide. Position each thumbnail over the relevant part of the plant image. For example, place a detailed internal slide over the area of the plant it relates to. This visual placement helps your audience intuitively understand what each Zoom target represents. You can also resize and align the thumbnails carefully so they blend neatly into the overall design of the slide. Finally, click each Zoom object and go to the Zoom Format tab. Turn on Return to Zoom. This is what makes the presentation seamless because after showing a detailed slide, PowerPoint automatically takes you back to the main plant slide during playback. That way, you can continue exploring different plant structures without manually navigating back and forth. When everything is in place, test the presentation in slideshow mode to make sure each zoom lands correctly and returns smoothly.